Home inspection overview of unit 4149. We're going to start here on the exterior. Here we have the clean outs for the sewer. They're kind of high, so they would constitute a trip hazard. Also, these gravel, there's usually a weed barrier or a mesh that is put underneath so weed does not come through. Builders would tell you that if they do it for you, they have to do it for everybody else. But anyway, I'll write it down. A weed barrier would be good to have. I checked the water pressure here at 65, and then I checked the drippers. I opened this and look inside. Make sure that there's no double breakers, or there's nothing burnt, and all that is good in there. Coming through here, something minor, but obviously it's a new house. The slot is broken. And going around here, basically the fences and everything else is okay. A few cracks on the stucco, and they would tell you that you probably need to wait into the 1 year in order to wait until everything happens. For example, there's a minor one right here. So we'll continue from here. Let me get into the garage, and then we'll do the interior. The garage door opener did not work, so they need to repair that. So you hit the switch and it blinks and nothing happens. The hot water heater should not be tested, obviously, because the gas is not connected. It is 2025 and it's 50 gallons. So we need to come back once they put in the meter. Okay, so starting here, I check all the outlets here. I check everything here as well. All the outlets and the water over here, the toilet, all this is good. There seems to be an additional switch. So there's a switch for this light, for the fan, and then there's a switch for that light, and there's a switch for this light. It's usually one switch, but it's not that bad if we have extra. So basically independent. Here in the laundry room, there's usually, in addition to the air fresh intake, there's also an exhaust fan for the laundry room. So I put that down. You got electricity here, and also this water. That's what we check for. Coming inside here, everything is good here. The temperature gave me about 50 degrees coming down, so it's pretty cool on the AC units. I check all the appliances here. Obviously, I couldn't check this because it's the gas is turned off. Dishwasher, I'm still working on it. It's going through a cycle. The soap is closed, now it's open. So as you can see, it's still working. Let me set this on again. So we'll see, make sure that it drains the water. This is the garbage disposal switch. It does work, but it needs to be connected. So that is that in there. Going around here, I check all the windows, the sliding door here in the master. All that is checked as well. I checked in the attic, plenty of insulation up there. So here in the master, I check all this right here, no leaks underneath. So this is how it looked like. A little bit dirty because I was up in the attic. You got insulation of 10 plus inches in the attic. So basically the exterior, you got some cracks, the elevation on the sewer system, and then you also have the gas that needs to be connected. The garage door opener needs to be repaired, and then in the kitchen, we'll test the stove once we get gas, and the switch for the garbage disposal needs to be turned on. There will be some additional stuff to put on, and I'll, will be on the report. If you have any questions, please give me a call. Thanks. Bye.